I am 17. I don't have a degree. I don't have a job. But I do have one thing, a laptop and a brain that refuses to settle. And with just that, I'm going to make my first $10,000 online. This video is the first chapter of that story, and I am documenting everything. If you are a teenager stuck in school, tired of scrolling and wondering where to start, this is the video I wish I saw a year ago. Why I am doing this? Let's be honest, most of what we are taught in school is outdated. I was tired of waiting to grow up before chasing freedom, and this 10K goal, it's not about flexing, it's not about some Lamborghini dream, it's about proof that I can build something without connections, without capital, then so can be you. The plan. So here's how I'll do it, step by step. Step 1. YouTube personal brand. You are watching the foundation right now. I'm posting long form videos weekly on sales psychology, email marketing, and mindset. These are the pillars that connect with real people, especially with other teens and small business owners. This is not a side hustle. It's a full machine, and YouTube is the engine. Step 2. Build my email list. Every video links to a free resource, something useful. That way, I'm not just chasing views, I'm building a list of people who actually trust me. And that list, that's where the real money gets made. Step 3. Launch a product after proof. After a few good videos, I'll launch a simple digital product. But instead of selling it straight away, I'll give it to 2 people for free. I want honest feedback, real proof, tracking progress. I'm tracking everything: views, clicks, email collected, conversion rates. This is not a hope it works thing. It's a system. I know what's working and what, more important, what's not working. Tools I'm using. I'm not dropping thousands on fancy gear. I use CapCut for editing, ChatGPT for scripting and basic uses, Canva for thumbnails, vidIQ for titles and SEO, Notion for all the planning. That's it. Just tools and execution. Who is this channel for? This channel is for the kid who's tired of watching and ready to build something. I'm not here to sell you a dream, and if you are serious about building with me, let's do it together. This is just video 1. Every upload from here is a real time step toward $10K. Subscribe if you are ready to stop scrolling and start building, or don't and stay where you are. Either way, I am moving forward, and I am bringing proof.